Hello, boys and girls. Time for another lesson on our mathematics workshop. I'm your teacher, Ms. Shamsuddin, and today we will be learning about median. Remember, Shakuntala Devi posited, without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. So today, we would just be having some more fun with numbers. Before we start our lesson, let's recap what we did the last time. Can you remember what we looked at? Yes, we looked at average, or we said mean. The mean is the average of a set of numbers. It can be found by adding all the sets of numbers and then dividing by the number of values or data in the set. Today, we will be looking at how to find the median. Now, what is the median? Median is referred to as the midpoint or the middle value of a set of numbers. It can be found by ordering the set of numbers and then finding the middle value of that set. What does that mean? In order for us to find the median, there are a few steps we have to follow. Whatever numbers you are given, you have to place it in ascending order. It means that you will go from the lowest number to the highest, or from the smallest to the largest. The next step, you will look for the number that is found in the middle. Now, if there is an odd amount of values or an odd amount of numbers in the set, then the median is the number that falls in the middle, or we say the middle value. But if there is an even amount of numbers or an even amount of values in the set, then the median is found by finding the average of the two middle values. And we're going to look a little more at that, or we're going to understand that a little better when we get into our examples. So let's do that. Here I have example 1. We are going to be finding the median of 5, 7, 8, 2, and 4. Find the median of 5, 7, 8, 2, and 4. So what do we do in order to find the median? Remember, I said the first step, we have to place the numbers in order from the smallest to the largest. So if we look back at the set of numbers given as it was, which is the smallest number? Yes, we see that 2 would be the smallest number. After 2, we get 4. Then we get 5, 7, and then 8. So our numbers in ascending order would be 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8. Now, if we count how many numbers we have here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 numbers in this set. We know that 5 is an odd number, so we have an odd amount of number values. So we check to see now for the middle value. So let's check 5 numbers divided by 2. Good. So let's go 1, 2, we count from the front, and 1, 2 from the back, we have another 2 there, and we see that 5 is left in the middle. Are you seeing that? Yes, well, here we see that the median will be 5. The number 5 would be our median because it is found in the middle of the set of numbers that we have. Let's look at our next example. Find the median of 23, 27, 16, and 31. Find the median of 23, 27, 16, and 31. Like the first example, the first thing we have to do is place the numbers in order from smallest to largest. So which is our smallest number? 16. So let's write 16. After 16, we would get 23, then 27, and finally 31. So now our numbers are in counting order or ascending order. Now here we have four numbers. We have four numbers in this set. So 4 divided by 2, we know it's 2. So there is no number actually in the middle or no number left by itself. So we have 23 and 27 in the middle. What do we do? First, we add 23 and 27 together, and then we divide that. Now, if we add them together, 23 plus 27, we will get 50. And then we divide 50 by 2, which would give us 25. Now notice 25 is not within the set that was given, but because two numbers are found in the middle position, we have to add them together, then divide them by 2 so as to strike an average or to find the middle point or the midpoint. So 25 would be the median for this set of numbers. Now it's your time to find median on your own. Do you think you can do it? I know that you can. So let's look. We have number 1. Find the median of the given set of numbers. Now, if we place this set of numbers in order, our smallest number would be 1. 1, then we have 6, 9, 11. We have 18 two times. We must write it 18 and then 18 again. And finally, 19. If we count, we see that this is an odd set of numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers in this set. Now, 7 divided by 2, we know we would get 3 point something. So we would count 1, 2, 3 in the first set. And from the back, let's count 1, 2, 3. And we see that 11 is left in the middle. So our middle number, or the number that falls in the middle, is 11. So our median for this set of numbers is 11. Were you able to get that? Here I have another one. Find the median of 16, 14, 13, and 17. place your numbers in order. Now the order that you should have should be 13, 14, 14, 16, 17. Do you have that? Okay. Now in this set of numbers, we have 5 values. So which number falls in the middle? We have 14 in the middle because we will have 13 and then 14. And from the other end, we have 17 and 16. So you have 2 on the left and 2 on the right with 14 in the middle. Are you seeing that? So from this odd set of numbers, the middle value is 14. So the median is 14. Let's look at number 3. We have 19, 3, 5, 5, 9, 2, 10, and 15. Now, what is the first step? Yes, you have to put the numbers in order, from the smallest to the largest. So your set in order should look like 2, 3, 5, 5, 9, 10, 15, and 19. Now in this set of numbers, we can see here that we have an even set of numbers. So we have to look for the 2 values that fall in the middle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 numbers we have in all. So let's see which 2 numbers fall in the middle. If we check correctly, we would realize that 5 and 9 are in the middle. So what do? We have to add them. If we add 5 plus 9, we will get 14. With that 14 now, we divide it by 2. 14 divided by 2 will give us 7. 7 is the average of the 2 numbers found in the middle, and therefore 7 becomes the median of that set of numbers. Now, did you get those correct? Or were you able to at least place your numbers in order? Did you understand that? Now, this last one, I want you to write it so that you can do it for homework. The numbers are 6, 20, 9, 6, 2, 4, 10, 15, 8. I'll call them again. 6, 20, 9, 6, 2, 4, 10, 15, 8, and 3. And so you will find the median of this set of numbers for homework. So there we had it, boys and girls. I hope that you were able, as I said, to at least arrange your numbers in order. You can always go back, look at the video, follow the steps, and complete it. Listen to the explanation again and try to do it on your own. So let's do a simple recap of what we did today. We learned that the median is the midpoint or middle value of a set of numbers. It is found by ordering the numbers from smallest to largest, or we can say in ascending order, and then finding the middle value in that set. How do we find the median? We first order them from smallest to largest or in ascending order, and then we find the middle number. If the set of numbers is odd, then you have to check for the number that falls in the middle or the middle value. However, if the set of numbers is even, you have to find the two that fall in the middle. You add them together and then find the average. Remember, we would have gone through all the steps to find the average, so you know that very well. The average that you find becomes the median of that set of numbers. It's always a pleasure to have you on the mathematics workshop. So until next time, I'm Miss Shamsuddin saying goodbye.